My name is Jeffrey. I'm the founder. I give Figma 5 stars. And for more reviews like this, click the link below. Before Figma, we were using Adobe Photoshop and some other Adobe products, but we wanted more real-time collaboration and connectivity working on the same file at the same time. We chose Figma because it got good reviews and it's a cloud-based software that can work on any platform, and multiple people can be working in the same file at the same time. So different people on the team editing and commenting, collaborating on the file, and so that was really convenient. Getting started with Figma was really easy. I looked into the different software packages and decided to test it out, and it was clearly something that we needed, and I went forward with it. When getting Figma, realize that you have to be online in order to use the software. So you do need an internet connection. And for some machines, the Figma files can be quite large to make sure that you have enough RAM. Otherwise, your browser and machine may not be able to handle it, and the loading time can cause the browser to crash. But for many machines, especially those for graphic designers, would have good equipment to be able to handle Figma.